Hello, hello. Yep, it's a big gold box I have here. We can call this an unboxing slash review for you. Sort of review. Longevity can't be tested, of course, but I can let you know how it is and what it is for that matter. This is a silverware kit actually from a company called Amz Soaring. That's Amz Soaring, S-O-A-R-I-N-G. Silverware set, stainless steel flatware cutlery set, 24-piece kitchen dinnerware, tableware utensil set, servers for 6, including luxury gift box, 6 exquisite placemats. That is the Amazon listing. And it's $32.99 on Amazon right now. Again, this is a 6 set, 24 pieces. You got 6 knives, 6 forks, 6 dinner or soup spoons, and 6 teaspoons. And then there's 6 placemats as well. This actually came in just in time for review because I've been thinking about buying a new set here. And for some reason, my silverware just keeps disappearing. I don't understand. I guess my kids are throwing it away instead of, you know, washing the dishes. That's the only thing I could think of because they keep disappearing. So I have like a mix-match set at this point left over. But here's the box here that it comes in. Now we have a little fairly sturdy, heavy-duty latch on the side. We got hinges on the back. Hinges on the back here, of course. It's a wood with a metal, thin metal covering over top of it. I'd say it's not a bad little box. And here's the latch there. Open it up. If I can move my light a little bit. Here's the placemats. I can get them to, pretty much get them in the camera for you. But they are vinyl, basically. Not cloth or anything like that. They're covered with a vinyl, a gold rose flower pattern there. And again, there are 6 of them because there's 6. Yeah, I did notice there is some extra material on here. It just popped right off. But not bad. I didn't even realize that it came with placemats. So when I opened it up, it was kind of a little bonus for me. But as you can see, here's the box here. The spoons are up on the top section. It's not in view of the camera. Sorry about that. But they're held in place. I'm going to use this as an everyday set, of course. But, you know, you don't have to. You can keep it in the box. You know, put your box in your drawer and stuff like that, like other people would. We have, I'm not even sure what that says there. Oh, it says Amz Soaring. There we go. Looks like a bowl or something. Stainless steel, of course, and they are fairly thick and fairly heavy, really. I mean, I can't really bend them at all. I mean, no, I can't. Wow. Nope. Maybe I'm just not that strong, which is possible. Some other people might be able to bend it. But here's the forks, of course, to have a pattern here. Just a basic pattern, which I like. Just a plain pattern works for me fine. The box here, during shipping, as you can see here, we have some little holes there. The forks kind of ding the felt here. Not a big deal again, as I said. Here's the knife. Same pattern that goes all the way through, sort of, or on both sides, whatever. And again, these are pretty good too. I don't know why my dog is barking. Who knows? Then we have dinner spoons, or soup spoons, as they're called, or dinner spoons, whatever. And then we have little teaspoons. Big difference between them, of course. For me, this is a nice set. This would be a great, for me, it's going to be an everyday set, as I said. This would be a great everyday set, I think. Or, you know, or a fancy, I guess, set. I mean, it's not silver, it's stainless steel. But, you know, not a big deal. It is, dishwasher safe, of course. It's stainless steel. It's called a casual modern table cutlery set. Great for home use, barbecue, traveling, something like that. I mean, maybe a housewarming gift. This would be great for, you know, your kids or somebody like that moving into their first apartment. You know, it's inexpensive. It's $33, prime shipping. It's not bad. The box is okay. You know, I mean, it is a fairly sturdy box, but you know, it did kind of get beat up during shipping, which maybe that way would have been better shipping them. But oh well. These do need to get washed, of course. I'm going to wash them before we use them, obviously. But again, here it is here. Amz Soaring Silverware set. Not bad. I do really like the pattern on them, though. it's a basic pattern, yet it's nice. $32.99. I think it's pretty good. You know, longevity, I'm not sure. They feel quality made, but you know, being washed numerous times and stuff like that with detergents and all that, then we'll really know how they are. That's it. Thanks a lot.